was winter dressed in summer flame, a secret heart that bore no name. She bloomed where silence held its reign, a flower kissed by midnight rain. They gaze like stars too bright to keep, yet reach for fire in the deep. No words of love, just stolen air, when crowds and oceans filled his care. Her laughter knew the end was near, a melody of joy and fear. They met where storm clouds used to cry. The world stood still just for their sky, but dawn would tear their dreams apart, leaving shadows on their hearts. They burned like stars too bright to stay, still chase the light through endless gray. No words of love, just stolen air, when crowns and oceans filled his care. Her laughter knew the end was near, a melody of joy and fear. If time forgives what hearts deny, their silent tears will paint the sky. No words of love, just stolen air, when crowds and oceans fill his tear. Ooh.